light. Spots a cactus with a sneezy fright. He sniffles once, his eyes go blink. Then achoo, out flies a sparkly pink. She giggles loud and gives a cheer. Was that a sneeze I just did hear? The cactus wiggles with a wheeze, then sparkles spray with every sneeze. Are you allergic to the bees? Or maybe grandma's pepper trees? Ruby leans in, gets a sniff, then whoo, she sneezes with a whiff. Waffle barks and gives a hop. The sparkles make him flip and flop. One big sneeze and then another. Soon they're sneezing one another. A tulip joins with a loud Achoo. Then daisies dance and sneeze on cue. The garden's now a sneezy zone, with sparkling pollen overgrown. Grandma laughs with happy eyes. Looks like Sparkle's sneeze surprise. She hands them tissues one by one, and Ruby says this sneeze is fun. They count their sneezes. 1, 2, 3. The glitter floats like bumblebees. The cactus wiggles, feeling proud, with sneezy sparkles in a cloud. At sunset time, they all calm down. No more sneezes in the town. But Ruby winks, tomorrow's breeze might bring back those sneezy trees.